Hello children, this is the first video of lesson number 7, pronouns from English language. Before doing warm up, let me tell you what are pronouns. So pronouns are those words that come in place of nouns are called pronouns, okay? So words that are used in the place of nouns, they are called pronouns. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Okay, these all are pronouns. So now let me come to warm up. Underline the pronouns and identify the noun they stand for. In this exercise, what we have to do, we have to underline the pronouns and for what noun they stand for, we have to identify that also. Okay, first one, a farmer and his wife had a goose. It laid a golden egg every day. A goose is a noun, I have written an, and it is a pronoun. Number 2, the farmer and his wife were happy, but they were greedy. So now noun is the farmer, his wife. Okay, these two are noun and the pronoun is they. So they is used for the farmer and his wife. Number 3, once upon a time there lived a little girl. She always wore a red riding cloth. So noun is a little girl and pronoun is she. Number 4, there once lived a king. He was very cruel. Noun a king and pronoun is he. So he is used in the place of a king. Number 5, the queen held the baby in her arms. It was sleeping soundly. So the noun is the baby and pronoun is it. Number 6, Karuna, have you heard this story before? Asked Ravina. So Karuna is noun and what pronoun is used before is used for Karuna? You. Okay, so you is the pronoun. Number 7, my name is Tarun. I am 8 years old. So Tarun is noun and pronoun is I. Number 8, there is a wolf in the forest. He is a crafty guy. So a wolf is a noun and he is a pronoun. Number 9, the 7 little billy goats were safe. They outwitted the wolf. So noun is the 7 little billy goats and the pronoun used for this noun is they. Okay, in the same way this exercise you have to do in your book. Now let us move on to exercise A. Rewrite these sentences using the correct pronouns in place of the highlighted words and phrases. So in this exercise we have to rewrite these sentences. Rewrite these sentences means the same question as the question is written. You have to write the same sentence, but in the answer you will just correct. You will write the correct pronoun in the place of the highlighted word or phrase. Okay, the noun is the highlighted word. So at that highlighted word or phrase you have to use the correct pronoun. Number 1, and this exercise you will be doing in your notebook, in the copy you will be doing. Okay, in the copy. Number 1, this is Tom. Tom is Suma's cat. Okay, this is a question. How you will write the answer? Answer will be this is Tom, and now again Tom is Suma's cat, so again Tom is used. So 2 times we don't use the same noun. In the second time we use the pronoun for that noun. Okay, so instead of Tom we will use it. It is Suma's cat. So you will underline Tom in the question. In the answer you will underline it. Number 2, Uma goes to the market. Uma buys a pair of shoes. Answer, Uma goes to the market. She buys a pair of shoes. Okay, Uma is a girl, so that's why we will use she. Number 3, the crows are cawing. The crows are very noisy. So crows, so answer will be the crows are cawing, they are very noisy. Children, you have to rewrite this full sentence. Okay, full sentence you have to write, but in the answer I have written only the underlined part. Okay, so please rewrite this full sentence as I am speaking. Number 3 answer is the crows are cawing, they are very noisy. Number 4, father, mother, Suma and I have a holiday. Father, mother, Suma and I are going for a picnic. So answer will be father, mother, Suma and I have a holiday. We are going for a picnic. Number 5, Mohit and Manisha are studying. Mohit and Manisha are doing their homework. Answer, Mohit and Manisha are studying. They are doing their homework. Number 6, Kunal's dog is named Kipper. Kunal loves his pet. Answer, Kunal's dog is named Kipper. He loves his pet. Number 7, the students are going for a picnic. The students will enjoy themselves. Answer, the students are going for a picnic. They will enjoy themselves. Number 8, watching the animals in the zoo was very interesting. The animals were delightful to watch. Answer, watching the animals in the zoo was very interesting. They were delightful to watch. Now exercise B. Read these sentences. Fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns. This exercise, children, you can do in the book. Okay. Number 1. My uncle has bought a new car. Dash is blue in color. So what pronoun can be used for a new car? It. Okay, it can be used. So answer is it. Number 2, Raki is my cousin. She lives in Lucknow. So Raki is a girl. So we will use the pronoun she. Number 3, Vijay and I are friends. So Vijay and I means two na. So I is used along with one more person. So it will be changed into we. Vijay and I are friends. We go to the same school. Number 4, Raju. I am looking for Shalini. Do you know where she is? Okay, so for Shalini, we will use she. Number 5, I saw the pens on the table. Where are they now? Okay, it's talking about the pens. It's plural, so they. Number 6, the batsmen played well. They helped us win the match. Okay, batsmen, it's talking about batsmen, many batsmen. So answer will be they. Number 7, the dog that lives in front of my home is loved by all. It is very friendly. Number 8, my friends came for my birthday party. They gave me nice gifts. Now read these sentences. I kicked the ball. She baked a cake. He scored a goal for the team. We had coffee at a restaurant. She plays tennis every Sunday. They played football. So children, in these sentences you can see the highlighted pronouns. Okay, these are the subjects. In these sentences the highlighted pronouns are the subjects. So what are subject pronouns? Pronouns that are the subject of a sentence, means those pronouns which are the subject of a sentence, they are called the subject pronouns, and they usually come at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, I kicked the ball. So what is the subject pronoun? I. Okay, and they are used at the beginning. Now read these sentences and pay attention to the highlighted words. Sushil met me at the mall. Sushil met me. Okay, so me is the pronoun and it is not the subject, it is the object pronoun. Okay, second example, Jayant met him. Number 3, I bought it from this shop. Number 4, I spoke to them. So me, him, it, them, these are all the object pronouns. Rati will meet you at the mall. He met us at the mall. Okay, so these all are object pronouns. Okay, and these highlighted words these are also pronouns, but they are receiving the action of the subject. means subject क्या action कर रहा है उसका जो है, they are receiving the action, so that is why they are object pronouns. So what is the define of object pronouns? Object pronouns that receive the action of the subject are called object pronouns, and they usually come after the verb. Okay, subject pronouns come at the beginning, whereas object pronouns come after the verb in a sentence. Study this table to understand subject and object pronouns. Subject pronoun I, object pronoun I will be changed into me. We, us. You, he, him. She, her. It, they, them. Okay, so now write S if the highlighted word is a subject pronoun, and O if the highlighted word is an object pronoun. Okay, so number 1, we like the magician's show. We it is used in the beginning of the sentence and it is the subject, so it is subject pronoun. Okay, so we will write as. Number 2, I don't agree with him. Him is an object pronoun. Number 3, you can just see here, him, it is an object pronoun. Okay, number 3, can you meet me in an hour? So me, it is used after the verb is meet. Okay, after the verb it is used, so that is object pronoun. Number 4, would you like to have some coffee? It is subject pronoun. Number 5, I like to collect stamps. It is a subject pronoun. Number 6, will you help us with the directions? Us is object pronoun. Okay, see this one as is the object pronoun. Okay, number 7, the sugarcane crop is harvested by them. That is object pronoun. Number 8, she is liked by her students. She is subject pronoun. Number 9, they laughed at his joke. They is subject pronoun. Number 10, the teacher asked Mona and me to complete the homework. Me is object pronoun. Okay, so children, up to exercise C we have completed, and the rest part of this chapter we'll do in the next video. Hope you have understood this portion, and please do complete this work in your book and copy in good handwriting. Thank you.